It's time to do the happy dance. You found Ving. Are you responsible for safety training, compliance tracking, and reporting? Tired of chasing down employee updates, searching for paper reports, and scrolling through endless emails? If so, it's time for a smarter solution. Imagine a tool that simplifies these tasks, saving you time and frustration. It's time to automate and streamline. Your solution: Ving, the all-in-one compliance tracking and reporting tool. With Ving, you can simplify your compliance tasks, reclaiming countless hours of time. Go home early! Yay! Sound amazing? It is. With Ving, you effortlessly plan your safety training calendar, setting dates, times, and locations. Ving tracks employee training schedules, giving you a clear view of who's being trained on what and when. Come training day, Ving automates attendance and test taking this time-consuming task off your plate. Ving's color-coded dashboards make tracking and reporting easy, organizing data for each employee. Quickly see training completions, test results, and certifications with clear visual icons. To ensure nothing is overlooked, you can set certification expiration dates. Need reports for OSHA visits, insurance, or contracts? Generate them in seconds with ease. Say goodbye to the old way of doing things and hello to organized, efficient compliance tracking. Ving, the tool you need to take the stress out of compliance. It's time to get your Ving on! Yahoo!